that. Ah, of course, it's out of focus. Grab the arm ring. Hammer. Hammer, 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 hammer. Woo! Sorry, camera. Right, dropped it. That's the drop forge, by the way. If you got them, drink them. That's the rule. Drink them if you got them. When the forge gets dropped. Well, I forgot to hit record again. You're just gonna have to imagine the final forming of this arm ring. Sorry. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We got new videos coming out every week, and that's something that I hope to be able to say with a straight and honest face very soon. I appreciate your patience for the weeks that I have not. But it's balls to the walls from here forward. Like, this is a video that I have been meaning to get out to people for the longest of times, and I apologize for not getting it out to you sooner. But here it is. We've got more great videos coming. I've got a Loki pendant that's going to be another video coming out very soon, forging video. And then back on to the iron body conditioning. We've got an iron body conditioning video coming up very soon, a little bit more advanced than the previous one. The previous one was just showing you how to begin the processes of iron body conditioning. And now that you've been watching that for a little bit, you've been able to see it. Hundreds of people have now viewed it. So we'll be able to move on to the next level of iron body conditioning, which is actually using implements, doweling. I've got a collection of metal rods that are going to be very useful. You'll see. I'll show you in that. Anyhow, I digress. I thank you very much for watching very much for subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, things I could improve upon, leave a comment. I read every single comment, and I love you very much. I thank you very much for sticking through to this point. Hopefully we are now past the 10-minute mark. I know. I just want to make sure that I get that ad revenue in, you know? So I ramble a little bit at the end. You've got things on either side that you can click on, and they will take you to various videos. One of them will bring you right to my channel so that you can subscribe. All that kind of wonderful stuff. Anyhow, I think I've stalled for enough time. I appreciate your being here, your watching, your following, your friendship, your subscribership, and everything else that you have brought to me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Much more to come. May the Force serve you well.